In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can level up fast here in Dragon Soul. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now we're going to break this down in terms of levels. If you're level 1 through 500, focus on the main quest line. Quests give significantly more XP than killing random mobs, so grinding enemies nearby is a waste of time compared to questing. If you're 300 plus, I would recommend buying the Transcended Halo. You could do this by going to the general store and buying the Transcended Halo from there. It gives a massive passive XP boost. The bonus scales as you level up as well, and it's worth buying as early as possible. This alone will speed up your leveling a ton. From levels 500 to 1600 though, focus on the Great Ape and Nappa. The fastest method is just to pick up the boss quest, kill the boss, and immediately server hop. This will skip the respawn timer and is so much faster than waiting on regular mobs. Level 1000 plus, make sure that you complete the East City quest. This will unlock the specialized transformations that make later boss fights way easier and much faster to farm. Make sure that you do not skip this. Once again, that is the East City quest at level 1000. For in-game, which is level 2350 plus, you're going to want to do the level break method to progress towards level 10,000. To do this, you do the Oprah Man quest, and this is essential for late game leveling. 100 punches, 10 kilometers flying, and 10 kilometers running, and it'll give you 3 levels per day. On top of that, the bonus increases if completed daily, and you can also use Dragon Balls to wish for levels. This usually grants 5 levels instantly, and is best used in-game to speed things up, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.